Alright everyone, how's it going out there? So I found some very interesting things on the radar the last storm, and I looked again this storm to see if I could see it, and there it is. So all along the Canadian-US border, there are these areas where on the radar these strange straight lines start showing up, and it almost is like they are centered from a center point and extending out like some type of tower. So why don't I go ahead and show you guys. I'm going to try and draw on the screen here. If you look right in here, you're going to be able to see all these straight lines cutting through the radar. And if you look in the center, it's almost like it centers right around here. And that same thing will happen when it gets up to the Ottawa area. You can see some of these huge lines that are already starting in the Ottawa area. This will extend all the way out. Whatever type of tower they have in the Ottawa area is much more powerful than the one that they have in Toronto. Now I don't know what this is, if it's weather manipulation, if it's some type of defense system, early warning system, some type of advanced radar, something in the ionosphere, some type of test. Could it be HARP, chemtrails? I don't really know. I don't believe it to be chemtrails because they're in the same spot this storm as they were last storm. So we'll just go ahead and highlight this again. You can see all these straight lines. They're just coming right out. We'll zoom in so you can really get a better look. Now I'll do another video later when the storm makes its way over to Ottawa and across the US to a few more spots on the Canadian border. But there also seems to be a tower, or whatever this phenomenon is, somewhere right around here. Once again, we have an area where the radar isn't showing any moisture, and you can also start to see the straight lines showing up like they're emanating from the center point here. This is also on the Canadian-US border. Very strange anomalies. You can see it nice and clear there over the Toronto area. Now if you want to go ahead and steal this video and put it on TikTok or whatever, go ahead. Yeah, so it's really interesting. I don't know what it is. Defense, early warning system, weather manipulation. I have no idea. But it's definitely not natural, and it shows up on a lot of the radar apps. And when it gets over to Ottawa, I'll do another video, because Ottawa is very powerful. The lines that come off of that are 2 to 3 times the size of what is emanating from the Toronto area. So thanks for watching my video. My name's Matt, and let me know what you think.